Hi everyone, JR Skeens with Skeens Drone Services. Well, here it is. It's another holiday. I just want to say Merry Christmas. I hope everyone has a very joyous day and a great holiday. It is definitely a time to be with friends and family and enjoy one another. Also, it's that time that's really and truthfully a good idea to kind of let your heart be a little bit lighter, kind of let your proverbial light shine a little bit. We've seen a lot of things in the last few years as a country, and I don't really want to get into a political rant, nor will I. But I just want to say, from my heart to yours, I just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with each other, love one another, and just be a little kinder. And let's prepare to walk in to 2023 holding each other's hand and making sure that we let our lights shine a little bit longer. Thank you.